Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are doing well and keeping yourself safe. Welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today we are going to start with our unit number 2, that is Bird Talk. It is a class 3rd poem. So let's start with our poem. Bird Talk. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. So you have seen in this picture also students, 2 birds are sitting in the garden on the tree. First one is the robin and second one is the jay. In this poem, the poet tells what robin and jay think about human beings. One day both the birds named Robin and Jay were sitting on the tree in the garden. Students, now we'll go to the next stanza, that is the think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. As you know students, human beings don't have feathers. Here Robin and Jay were wondering that how human beings grew without any feathers. Now we'll go to the next stanza, that is they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Here beetles means insects. As you know, human beings don't have wings. They don't sit on poles, wires and things. Here they both were amused that human beings don't eat insects. They felt sorry for human beings because they don't have wings. They were also surprised that human beings don't sit on poles and wires like birds did. Now we'll go to the next stanza students, that is think, said the robin, think, said the jay, are not people funny to be that way. In the last stanza they both agreed that human beings are so funny and strange. So this is about the poem students. Now we'll go to the book exercise. Now we'll do with the new words. What do you mean by beetle students? Beetles means it is a name of insect. Sitting means to be in a particular position. Wires means thin flexible rod. Funny means causing laughter. Now we'll go to the question answer students. Name the 2 birds in the poem. Here you have seen in the poem, what are 2 birds in the poem? They are Robin and Jay. What are 3 things that people can't do? What people can't do? What they are? They can't fly like birds do. They can't sit on wires like birds do. They can't get feathers and wings. They don't have feathers and wings as birds have. Last question is, what do birds think of people? What birds think of people? They think people are so funny and strange, as I have said you before also. Now we'll go to the next part. Talk time. Imagine what 2 elephants could say to each other about people. Let them talk about what people look like, what they eat, what they walk. You can say, look at that man's nose, see how small it is. Now in the second part, let's find 2 things which you can do and the birds can't do. Tell the class. In this part you have to tell that what human beings can do and what birds can't do. Now we'll go to the next part, that is the activity part. Let's make finger puppet. This you have to make it yourself students. You have to do it. The instructions are given here students. Now we'll go to the next part. Listen to the sounds of birds and make the list of these words. For example, crip, crip, crip. And this I have done for you. Chi, chi, cuckoo, cuckoo. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. Here the words are given. You have to make the sentences related to these words, which I have already made for you, students. The first word is the birds fly high in the sky. The birds crip when they fly. The birds came back to their nest after drinking water. The birds have wings to fly. So we have completed with this part, students. Now we'll go to the next part, student. That is, write words that rhyme with the words given below. The first one has already done for you. You have seen here. The first is already done. Now we'll go to the second one. Day, bay, lay. Think, blink, link. Funny, money, honey. Eat, seat, meat. Sing, ring, king. So now we have done with this part. The next part, this word you have to say loudly. You have to do it yourself. You have to do it yourself, students. Now we have completed with the exercise, students. Thank you, students. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.